Big Bore, it's a 195, but it's still not running right, so we're gonna try to find the problem. What do you think?
Yeah, something better.
You wanna take the baffle out?
Yeah, I think I can give it a little bit hard.
Hell yeah, absolutely. It's corked up right now.
Always something.
I don't see any gas. I don't hear any gas.
Do it for the YouTube.
God.
Helm, yeah. Need some brakes.
I think it's out of gas.
Oh yeah, brother.
Is it working right?
Yeah.
It runs good now?
Yep.
Alright, so it was literally a missing O-ring on the carburetor to the intake, and rebuilding the starter fixed all of our electrical issues. That's a wrap. Tomorrow's gonna be a good time. Alright, we're gonna do a CRF 150F shootout here. I have my 05 175 BBR Big Bore with a cam. Factory exhaust, I ground down where the weld is on the header, so it's like a high flow header. And then there is a small reducer, so just a little bit smaller than the tip, and then a spark arrestor. That bike is a what, 2011?
2009 bone stock.
9 bone stock, so we know what's going on there. And then this bike is the 195 Big Bore kit, 06 electric start, factory header, and completely open exhaust. So we'll see what a bigger bore and stock cam does to a smaller bore with a cam. So, and then all these bikes are jetted accordingly, so should be a good race. And then we got this 2016, a KLX 110L. Let's do Amp, look at that smile. All right, let's do some racing.
Got me there.
Man, mine's gonna smoke both of you guys.
All right, let's give Alec a few bike lanes.
3, 2, 1, go!
Are you sure? Did you see it fall off the bike? Uh-oh.
It matches my color.
Oh, here it is, right here.
Off the frame mount.
Oh, good job, Clay. You don't need that. You already got one right here, so we're good. We're completely fine. So we're swapping. We have Alec, who's the heaviest of the riders, now on the biggest bore.
Easy.
On the 195. Clay is now on the bone stock bike. He's the lightest. And we're all starting dead even.
3, 2.
All right, stock 150, 110, 175.
that video, the 175 really is the winner overall. I really contributed to that high compression piston and the cam. 195 ran really good, a lot of torque, really strong, but it just didn't rev out like the 175. It really needs that cam to bring that motor to life, and other videos have proven that. The stock 150F, it needs to be uncorked, it needs to be rejetted. It has a lot of potential, but in completely stock form it is pretty slow. So with that being said, I actually acquired a new electric start 2017 CRF 150F. I will be uncorking it and rejetting it, and we're going to see how it runs. It will make a full circle, and I probably will do a big bore and cam, but stay tuned to see that project. So again, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.